Assalamualaikum. Thanks for checking back on my channel. The dish I'm gonna introduce today is the most trending and recommended recipe of Afghani chicken. This is a super chicken recipe that is creamy and a little spicy. Today we are gonna see the simplest version of this recipe. The ingredients are mentioned in the description. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First step is to marinate the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Squeeze out the juice of 1 whole lemon. Adding lemon juice enhances the flavor and tenderizes the meat as well. Add a cup of yogurt and mix. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi or dried fenugreek leaves and mix it well. Let's chop and set the remaining ingredients. In a blender jar, add in a roughly chopped onion, 15 grams of mint leaves, 20 grams of coriander leaves, half cup cashews and 8 green chillies. Lastly, add a cup of fresh cream as well into the jar and blend them well. We use fresh cream in this recipe. If you don't have it, you can even use milk instead. Add salt and water if required and blend again. Now pour the blended mixture over the chicken and mix it well. Once the chicken marination is done, keep it for at least 3 to 4 hours in the refrigerator, or else if you wanna do it quickly, you should keep it for at least half an hour to 1 hour to get better results. Now take off the marinated and rested chicken from the mixture and set aside. Ensure to scrape off any excess mixtures from the chicken when adding it to the pan. Once done, melt 1 tablespoon of butter and 1.5 tablespoon oil and add the chicken pieces one by one into the pan. We are gonna fry the chicken for 3 minutes on one side. Flip over the chicken after 3 minutes. Again, we are gonna cook it for another 3 minutes on the other side as well. After cooking the chicken for 3 minutes, take the chicken pieces off from the stove. Guys, if you're a supporter of this channel, don't forget to give a like for the video you watch. It will definitely help our channel to grow. So don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button for more interesting recipes. Now melt half tablespoon of ghee with 2 tablespoons of oil in which we fried the chicken. Next step is to add the whole spices like cardamom, cloves and cinnamon stick and fry them well. Later, pour in the marinade mixture to it. Also add 3/4 cup of water into it. Now it's time to add the fried chicken pieces into it and combine it well. At this point, you can even change the spiciness as per your taste. If you want it to be more spicy, just add freshly ground pepper into it and mix it well. After mixing, close the lid and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. Now that I have cooked it on medium flame for 15 minutes, remove the lid and garnish it with few coriander leaves on the top. As you can see, our Afghani chicken is ready. The gravy comes nice and thicker. Here, I have paired it up with super fluffy baturas. You can even pair it up with jeera rice, roti, naan or even parathas. It's a very delicious and creamy recipe, just perfect without being too spicy. So eat good food, stay healthy until I come back with another video. Bye bye.